let's start assembling the bow block. So we have the uphill bow pieces here, UB, and these are UBA in the pattern. And then we have the skinny bow strips, UBB. So these are uphill bow strips. For each block, each bow block, you'll have 2 of the A pieces and 1 of the B pieces. And so you'll see they fit together like that. This tutorial will cover using pins to put these together. So right sides together, flip over that UBB piece, line it up with the corner of the UBA piece, and start pinning. Try not to stretch the UBB piece, that dark blue, dark teal piece you see here in the video. Take your time. When I pin, I use a lot of pins. Don't be scared to use too many pins, no such thing. So just do your best to line up the edges and pin the whole length of the strip. Now right about here, when there's just a few inches left, I always think, oh no, they're not going to line up. I promise, they'll line up. Just keep going, matching up the edges. Now towards the end, it can get a little finicky. Just take your time, do your best to line up those horizontal edges of the UBA and the UBB piece. There may be a smidge that doesn't match up. It's okay. These templates have been cut with plenty of ease, a little extra room to account for all of this. And then I like to put a little perpendicular pin at the end there to help keep it together as I get ready to sew it. So there you go. You can see it's all kind of bunched up because you have the curves pinned together and it's ready to sew.